Slovakia, officially the Slovak Republic, a landlocked country in Central Europe, boasts a rich cultural heritage and stunning natural landscapes. With Bratislava as its capital, Slovakia offers visitors picturesque towns, medieval castles, and outdoor adventures in the High Tatras mountains. Economically dynamic, it's known for automotive manufacturing and IT sectors. With a population of around 5.4 million, Slovakia's strategic location and EU membership make it an attractive destination for both tourists and investors. Slovensko. This is the Slovak name for Slovakia. Slovenská republika. This is the full name of Slovakia in the Slovak language. Slovak Socialist Republic. This was the official name of Slovakia during its time as part of Czechoslovakia before its dissolution in 1993. Upper Hungary, Felvidek. This was a historical term used to refer to the Slovak-inhabited areas of the Austro-Hungarian Empire before the establishment of Czechoslovakia in 1918. Let's explore Slovakia across various aspects. Constitution Day. Celebrated on September 1st, this day commemorates the adoption of the Slovak Constitution in 1992. Slovak National Uprising Day. Observed on August 29th, it commemorates the Slovak national uprising against Nazi occupation during World War II. Independence Day, celebrated on January 1st, marking the establishment of the Slovak Republic in 1993 after the peaceful dissolution of Czechoslovakia. Bratislava, the capital city situated on the banks of the Danube River, known for its picturesque old town, historic sites, and vibrant cultural scene. Košice, Slovakia's second-largest city, famous for its well-preserved historic center, Gothic St. Elizabeth Cathedral, and annual festivals. Banská Bystrica, known for its medieval architecture, historical significance, and proximity to the low Tatra Mountains. Žilina, a cultural and economic hub, home to the Slovak National Gallery and surrounded by beautiful nature. Natural and historical places, High Tatras, a spectacular mountain range offering hiking, skiing, and breathtaking scenery. Slovak Paradise National Park, famous for its unique landscape of gorges, waterfalls, and lush forests ideal for hiking and outdoor activities. Spiš Castle, one of the largest castle complexes in Central Europe, designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Boinice Castle, a romantic castle featuring Gothic, Renaissance, and Romantic elements, often used as a filming location. Slovakia offers opportunities in various sectors, including automotive manufacturing, electronics, information technology, and tourism. It benefits from its strategic location in Central Europe, EU membership, skilled workforce, and relatively low costs. The government has implemented reforms to improve the business environment, attract foreign investment, and promote innovation and entrepreneurship. Slovak culture is influenced by Slavic traditions, with rich folk traditions, music, dance, and cuisine. Notable Slovak personalities include Andy Warhol, American artist of Slovak descent, Milan Kundera, renowned author, Peter Sagan, professional cyclist, and Pavel Demitra, ice hockey player. Slovakia has a temperate continental climate with hot summers and cold winters. In the lowlands, summers are warm with temperatures ranging from 20 degrees C to 30 degrees C, while winters can be cold with temperatures often dropping below freezing. In mountainous areas, temperatures are cooler year-round, and snowfall is common in winter, making it a popular destination for winter sports enthusiasts. Overall, Slovakia offers a blend of natural beauty, rich history, cultural diversity, and business opportunities, making it an intriguing destination for tourists and investors alike. Slovakia is indeed a Schengen country. It joined the Schengen area on December 21, 2007, which means it participates in the European Union's border-free zone along with other Schengen member states. As a result, there are no passport controls on the borders between Slovakia and other Schengen countries. While Slovakia doesn't have an officially designated national sport, ice hockey is often considered the most popular and culturally significant sport in the country. Ice hockey enjoys widespread participation at both amateur and professional levels, and Slovak fans are passionate about supporting their teams, both domestically and internationally. The success of the Slovak national ice hockey team in various international competitions, including the EIOHF World Championship and the Winter Olympics, further solidifies ice hockey's status as a beloved sport in Slovakia.